I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Highs tomorrow are slightly warmer in the mid to upper 70s. South wind gust up to 30 to 40 just ahead of a low pressure trough lead to critical fire concerns across the central and west for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Strong low pressure crossing the plains increases our chances for rain and thunderstorms, mostly Friday afternoon through Friday night. Rain changes to snow late Friday night, comes to an end by Saturday morning. Rain amounts expected to range from a tenth to half inch. Highest totals to the northeast of the Tri-Cities. Snow amounts of a trace to less than an inch are possible along and north of I-80. High wind gusts of 40 to 50 are certain and may cause difficult travel with a quick hit of snow for late Friday night. Highs drop from the 60s Friday to around 50 on Saturday. By Monday, highs are back into the 70s. Rain chances return to western areas late Tuesday with the system that could be a better snowmaker the middle of next week. In the latest long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures warmer than normal the early to middle of next week before dropping slightly to seasonal or near normal temperatures late next week through March 25th. Precipitation for Nebraska and Kansas, St. Patrick's Day on Monday through March 25th, expected to be slightly above normal to near normal. Key weather factors driving the markets include a strong spring storm for the U.S., good and bad crop weather for South America, and dry conditions for wheat in the Black Sea region. A large and strong storm moving ashore along the Pacific coast right now intensifies Friday over the Central Plains and crosses the upper Great Lakes on late Saturday. Highlights with the powerful storm include snow at higher elevations of the west and across portions of the northern plains and upper Midwest, an elevated wildfire threat across portions of the central and southern plains, and severe thunderstorms Friday in the Mississippi Valley, sweeping to the Atlantic seaboard by Sunday. Another big storm moves through the U.S. the middle of next week, producing more rain. That storm more likely to produce heavier snow for a larger area from the central plains into the Midwest. Temperatures fall significantly behind it before warmer temperatures quickly fill in by the end of next week. Across south-central Brazil, needed scattered rain continues the next couple of days, while east-central Brazil won't see any more rain. Rio Grande do Sul, a big producer of full-season corn and soybeans, continues with poor conditions for crops in the filling stage. Conditions are beneficial in west-central Brazil with scattered rain. Argentina continues to get drier over the next week, but with mild temperatures. Northern Argentina in more need of rain since the south and central had seen some heavy rain recently. In the Black Sea region, wheat is greening up, but in very dry and poor conditions. Only light rain makes it into Ukraine and southwest Russia from Europe. The northern Black Sea region has a slightly better chance of rain when compared to the south that stays mostly dry. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.